Kraft Foundation. We are a 12-year-old organization. We working with college students, organizations, and we have trained and coached over 15,000 people, and still going on. So something that we've been famous for is working with college students, enabling them to do something outrageous or do something practical, do something that generally they're not expected of. So that's basically what we do with college students, and this small video is to give you an intro for who we are, what we do, and at the same time welcome you home. So Kraft vision. Our vision is to accelerate Indian education, moving from memorizing to hacking. What I mean by memorizing, so I'm sure you should be knowing the answer, is that in the last 15-20 years, whatever you've been studying in your school, college, one thing that we've not forgotten to do is memorizing. Go through the textbook, memorize it, and go and put it in the paper at your exams. What happens after that? Nobody knows. So our idea is, one question that we keep asking internally is that where no stretch of imagination by any chance we're going to beat Google in memorizing. So why waste your time in memorizing? Instead, move it to hacking. What is hacking? So even it sounds very cool too. So hacking is basically learning anything by doing it, like actually doing it and learning. That's basically what we mean by hacking. And so that's basically our vision, and our mission is to enable students hack skill and impact the world. So what I mean by that is literally enabling students to hack skills, learn particular skills, and use that skill to impact the world, either by working with NGOs, working with other organizations, working with other young students. So working with anybody but trying to impact the world. Not trying, we will. That's basically our mission. And so next conversation that I want to talk about is our values. Values are, you can keep it as principles or ground rules or whatever, like a must and should type of thing, but values definitely have been a nerve system for Kraft, that I must say, because also one thing that I want to talk about, these values are not just at Kraft, it has been definitely a nerve system for all of us, for our life, So we have 4 values. So firstly is being a professional. What is being a professional? Is honoring your commitment. So being able to keep your word, honor your word, commitment is what being professional is. Second one is being an owner, being ownership. So ownership is honoring people, so taking responsibility, so that's basically being related to each other. So that's the second value. The third value is being a challenger. What is being a challenger is honoring your future, so creating possibilities to make whatever you want to make happen for your future. So fourth one is agile version, or we also call it as time boxing. What is agile version? Agile version is like literally we say it as version everything agile style, which means it's not based on outcome, but it's based on time. Like we put a time to get some outcome done, get it done by the time, So that's basically agile version. So we have these 4 values. I'm sure, the next coming up, whatever videos will be covered, detailed explanation of the values, but brief introduction to values are 4 values as I talked about. Next is levels. So if you join Kraft, when you join Kraft, you will have to go through these levels as you grow, in leadership. So we have 3 levels. The first level is hacking skills. What do we do? Very simple. You actually hack leadership skills. You work with teams, you get coached by different people. Literally, you actually start working and being leader, So that's basically level 1. Level 2 is about hacking skills, specifically technical skills. Like what you do is, once you finish your level 1, you join. There are different labs that we have. We have a computer science lab, we have electronics and communication, we have mechanical lab. So there are different labs. What do? You pick one of the labs that you want to join. You join the lab, and then you pick a topic and you start hacking. Like for example, if you want to join a CS, that is computer science lab, you pick coding and you start coding. So you actually do what we talk about or what you study at your college. So that's basically hacking technical skills. So you pick a technical skill, hack it, and learn. So that's the second one. The third one, which is the level 3, is hacking projects. So as of now, we have one team called Career Edge India, is our level 3 first project team. So what you do is, when you finish level 2, you get invited to level 3. You definitely go through an interview and then get into level 3 team. So as of now, we have Career Edge team. We right now we're starting another level 3 project team, which is called a 6D, which is like design and innovation in online marketing team. So that's up in the verge of starting, you know. So these are the 3 levels that we have. Anyway, I am done with my video. All I want to say is welcome home, and you're gonna kick ass. Thank you.